Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how do you create a public profile on your Snapchat account. So first of all, we're going to open up our Snapchat, and on the top left you see this Bitmoji, this little cartoon. We're going to press that and we're going to scroll down and we're going to find what says public profiles. Now I have just done one little step, which was basically pressing next and get started. So you can do that if you've never been here before, and then we're gonna press edit profile. Now we can add a bio, we can add our location, we can choose if you want others to see our subscribers. You see this camera button right next to my, which was supposed to be my Bitmoji. I can press that and I can press preview profile, and it is going to show how my profile would look like once I've added things. Since this is a dummy profile, this is a blank profile, there's nothing on here, but I can add a few things and they're going to show up like right here, like these four pages that you see. They're not going to appear, only that those things would appear that you're going to add to your profile. So I'm going to go back, and on the top right now there's this option that says add a cover photo, so you can also add a cover photo. So when you're going to press public profile, preview profile, then it would be like right here, this little this black background that you see, it's going to appear here. So let's head back and press those top three dots, and now I can edit my profile from here. I can save a story to my profile. You do not see any snaps on here because this is a new account I made for tutorial purposes, but I can scroll to the right side and I have my camera roll, and I can select a few things from there and I can just add them to my profile. And then there's some other options that says share profile, and you can just share your profile. You can share your snap code and stuff like that. And that's pretty much about it about a public profile on Snapchat. So I hope I answered all your questions here. So I'm gonna see you in the next one. Thank you.